Hello my dears, this is Sarah from SheHoldsDaily.com, and today I want to share with you our Farmhouse Fall Home Tour. So I don't know about you, but sometimes when I go to do seasonal decorating, I get a little overwhelmed and I kind of just curl up in a ball inside and I don't really want to deal with it. So I have all my seasonal decorating in Rubbermaid bins, so I will pull my fall decorating and I'll look through it. I'll also look through my Pinterest board for fall, but even then sometimes I'm still just, I can't quite like pull my ideas together. And so what I like to do is take a walk. I take a walk outside, I'm gone for about 30 minutes, and I just really slow down and I focus on the things that are actually happening in nature. So I get a chance to just exhale and study what's going on around me, and I always come back in just with a simplified idea of what I can do. This year when I was walking, I noticed that the apples needed to be harvested, and I noticed that the honey was going to need to be harvested. In my path there were branches that had fallen down from a storm, and I loved the color of the leaves that were drying up, so I grabbed some of those. I finished harvesting our apples. I cut some oak leaves from an oak tree that we have on the property, and suddenly I felt like I could begin to start decorating. And in our part of the country, there are no pumpkins available yet, and so bringing in a little bit of nature is a fun way for me to start and have it still feel like fall without the pumpkins. Some of the other things I've used in the past are pheasant feathers, I've used acorns, I've of course used firewood, antlers, wheat, moss, kale, and cabbage. I'll show some pictures of what I did on my porch last year. But even if I were to only do these things, just bring in some nature, I feel like it would be enough to give us a new sense of beauty in the house and to enjoy the new season. I put the cut oak leaves into our upstairs bathroom to just give it a little bit of festivity, and I left the basket of apples down in the kitchen, and we will turn that into applesauce, but in the meantime, it is a beautiful fall statement piece. Just step away from it all for a few minutes and take a walk outside and see what inspiration comes from that. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I do post regularly and I share my professional design advice and our vintage home life. All right, take care and I will talk to you soon.